today we're going to measure the pigs to find out how much they weigh. You're going to need a soft tape measure. If you don't have a soft tape measure, you can use a piece of rope, mark on the rope where the measurement is, and then just use a tape measure to figure out the length. I'm going to have some food here, so I can give the pigs some food, so hopefully they'll stand still for me while I measure them. Alright, give the pig some slop, it'll buy you a few minutes. You want to measure right behind the shoulders. This is the girth measurement. She's 42 and a half. Then you want to go from where the middle of the ears are to the tail. And she is 47. So 42 and a half and 47. Let's see if we can get waddles here. Waddles is 43. By 44. Alright guys, I've had a few people asking me about the pig water and how it's holding up, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a little quick update on it. So here's the pig water. We've been using it now for a few months. It's still holding up good. I haven't had to do any repairs or anything to it. The threads have held in nicely. It's not leaking anywhere. So as you can see, the pigs rub on it, pull on it, bite on it. But it's still holding up and working. They like it, and it saves us from lugging water throughout the day. We give it a big thumbs up. Alright guys, so now to figure out how much the pig weighs, you take your girth measurement, and your girth measurement you measure from right here down from the top and around, right under the shoulders of the pig. You take that measurement, times it, so mine was 43, so I'm going to do 43 times 43. Then you take the length measurement from the base of the tail to where their ears are. On our pig, the bigger pig, it was 47. So you're going to do 43 by 43 by 47. And then you divide that number by 400. And we came up with 212 pounds on our pig. So, and then a pig, after they're 4 months old, grows about average of 2 pounds a day. So if you want to figure out how long it's going to take for your pig to get the butcher weight, just go ahead and you figure out you want them around 250 to 275 pounds. So for us, we got about another 50 to 60 pounds to go, so that'll be around 25 to 30 days. Say another month to go, and we can send our pigs off to get butchered. So if you guys want to know more about the pig water, I have another video, and I'll link it at the end of this video, and I'll put it down in the notes. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you right back here next time at Lumna Acres.
That's how you make applesauce.